Watika negi weche mag tuke ni tim mar Kenya mar jok manigi ng'ol mong'ere kaka Kenya Paralympics yuak mokalo ka giwacho ni sirikal ojwang'ogi kata kobedo ni gidhi chung' ne Kenya e piem mar laro simbo mar piny ngima. Tim no wacho ni mbalang' manomigi tin mopogore gi kaka jatend piny nosingo. Tim no biro dhi chung' ne Kenya e boma ma New Delhi e piny mar India dwe manyien. Giwacho ni omigi mbalang' mar $85,000 kende kane gigeno yudo maloyo $400,000 jatugo ka jatugo.
Actually, the training has been so hard. We've been forced to go back to our pockets. We were so hopeful to be put in the camp, but unfortunately, we did not manage. So the 6 months we've been training, it was our own effort. Together with the coaches' support, we were waking up to come and train us. The team was so prepared. The morale was up until we got the allowance yesterday, 85,000. So this put a lot of question in our mind. So as athletes were asking, is it the local allowance?
Matayarisho yetu yamekuwa na changamoto because sisi hatujawekwa camp, unlike the guys who went for Tokyo. They were in camp like for a month. Sisi hatujawekwa camp. So they are expecting us we perform well, and yet we didn't went for any camp. So I don't know what is going will be.
Tuke mag golf misiro gi bengi mar NCBA ochomo na nyuki giko derane maloyo jotugo 78